Tired of users getting confused or lost while navigating your Salesforce screen flow? If this is the problem that you are facing, I have a solution for you today. Hello everyone, this is Sudipta from Technical Potpourri and welcome to my new video. So in today's video, I'm going to build a screen flow where I'll be displaying the progress of the flow with different stages. As you can see, here I am at the stage first. If I click on next, I'll go to the second stage. If I click on next, I'll go to the third stage. So if this is something you want to build for your end users, please stay till the end of this video because I'm going to show you step-by-step approach how to implement this powerful feature in your next screen flow. Okay, so I'm in my Salesforce org. Let's start building the flow. For that, I'll first go to this gear icon and go to my setup. In the quick find, I'll type flow and I'll open the flow. This is going to be a screen flow. So I'll click on new and then start from scratch. Click on next and here it will be a screen flow. First thing, I'm going to put a screen element here. Let's give this name as first screen and click on save. For the time being, let's save that and give this a name as progress indicator and save. To enable this progress indicator to show them in the screen, what we need to do is click on this gear icon, click on show advanced, and here if you are writing a new flow, this will be by default enabled for you. And these are the three places where you can place the progress indicator. At the top of the screen, as you can see here, it will be a path like this way. It will show like normally when you open an opportunity record, you can define opportunity stages showing this way. Or the third option is it will be at the footer of the screen like this way. So let's choose this one. I like this one, top of the screen, and click on done. So this is going to be my first screen. I'm going to build few more screen. So let's put another screen and give this as the name as second screen. Let's put one more screen as the third screen. Click on save. Now we have three screens. Now in the first screen, if I see here, there is an option called stage. Let's assume that first screen will show the stage 1. I need to create a variable, a resource called stage resource. I'll click here and give them a name as first. And the first will be, and I need to give the order in which the stage resources will be displayed. So I'll give them the order as 1 and I'll make this as active by default. What is this active by default? I'll show you very soon in this video with a more advanced use case. For the time being, let's check this checkbox and click on done. And as you can see, it came here automatically. Don't worry about stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4. It will be whatever name that we give. In the second one, let's go and create one more stage called second and give it the order of 2, active by default. Click on done. In the third, let's create one more stage, give the name as third, give the order as 3, active by default, and click on done. And let's save as a new version. And now if I do the debug, I can see this is my first. If I click on next, this is my second, and this automatically become green because I have already passed the first stage. Now I'm in the second stage, and this is my third stage. So this is a very easy way how you can display the business process stepwise to your end users, right? Before this release, it was like you need to build your custom Lightning Web component to do that. But right now, after the Spring 25 release, it will be automatically enabled. You don't need to write any custom coding. All you can do enable some configuration within your Salesforce Flow to bring this. Okay, so let's make this use case a little bit of complex use case. So let's say here on the third screen, I want to put a checkbox. And what the checkbox was do, want to skip, is actually asking user like whether a user want to skip or not. I don't want to change anything here and click on done. Now here I want to do a comparison. What is the user input? Check user input, skip, and here it will be this one, want to check equals to true, and then the other one is does not skip, which will be on the third screen. Want to skip equals to false. So this is the way. Now if it is just not want to skip, I want to put a screen, and fourth screen to keep it the same. Another screen, let's make it the fifth screen. If it is not here, then I want to come here and make this as my fourth screen. So basic flow, if the checkbox is checked, then there will be two screens. If the checkbox is not checked, means skip, then there will be only one screen. So let's click on here, save, and let's do the debug. 1, 2, 3, want to skip, not going. The reason it's not going here is that because I didn't put any stage here. So let's create a stage as fourth, and let's give the name as 4. Here let's give this a new stage called fifth, and let's give them as 5, and this is also active by default. Let's check whether I have marked this as active by default or not in the fourth one. No, I didn't do that. So let's do that, and now save as new version, and let's do the debug. Let's see how it goes. So as you can see here, now I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after 3, and I don't want to skip, that's why it's going to the fourth, and that's why it's going to the fifth. Now let's say if I don't want to go to fourth and fifth, I want to go to this screen, and this screen let's make it a sixth screen. And let's choose the stage as sixth, order as 6, active by default, and done. Save as new version, and then debug. So as you can see here, initially I can see first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, though at this stage there is a checkbox, right? So if I go here 1, 2, 3 and want to skip, it's going to 6, and it looks like it came to 6 by crossing fourth and fifth, which is not true. From here it directly came to 6. It never went to fourth and fifth. But from the progress indicator, it looks a little different, right? It looks like 6 came by going through fourth and fifth. So that's not correct. So how we can solve that? The way to solve that is if you come here after like third, fourth, from where the condition starts, like fourth, fifth, and sixth, let's not make them as active by default. Like fourth, then fifth, I'm just unchecking the checkbox, and then sixth. Let's not do that. And if you don't do that, then what will happen is that, let's not do that and click on save and see how it looks like first. Now if you click on debug, you can see only 1, 2, and 3 because fourth, fifth, and sixth are not active. So now if we come here and want to skip and then go here, it's going to sixth. Now if I don't go here, it's going to fourth, and from here is going to fifth. It looks good, but here is another problem. The problem is that if you come here after want to skip, after when you click on want to skip, it should come here and it should automatically display fourth and fifth, but it's only displaying fourth. It's not this one here. If you don't want to skip, here is only displaying fourth. It's only displaying this. It's not displaying the fifth. When you click on next, then only fifth is coming. So how you can do that? The way to do is basically you can click an assignment and click the assignment, and here you can choose as flow, and there is active stages. There is a variable which comes from flow active stages. You can add And here you can add fourth, do one more one, flow active stages, add fifth. With that, save this and let's do the debug. Here I don't want to skip, and if I say here fifth automatically came. So as an user, I know that I need to go till fifth to finish my entire business process, to enter whatever the process is. So basically what you need to do, you need to do an assignment to bring fourth and fifth into your active stages, because fourth, fifth and sixth you have removed from the active stages. So this is one thing. Flow within the flow, you will find a variable called active stages. You need to add, and what it will add the stage at the end of the list. So in the list there is already first, second and third stages. So I've added fourth came at the end, and then I've added fifth. Fifth became the last one. That's why you can see first, second, third was already there. I added fourth and then fifth. So this is the way you can add stages to the active stages list. One more thing I want to display you here is, let's say I want to display a text here. So if you put this display text here, and let's say text, here you can access, you can write I am at stage, and whatever with the stage you can access from here with the flow variable. So there is a flow and then there is a current stage. So this current stage will print the name of the stage. So now if you click on save as new and click on debug, you can see I am at the stage first. So this flow.currentStage will return the name of the stage. And another thing I just want to show you, this is the flow which is written with API version 63. So if you have any older flow and if you still want to display this path variable, what you can do, for example, let's say I have a screen flow called hello testing or repeated test. If I open this flow, I believe I have multiple screen. Okay, I have only one screen, but that doesn't matter. But if you want to display progress indicator on your older flows, all you need to do, you need to click on the gear icon, click on show advanced, and here you can enable this option, show progress indicator. The moment you check the checkbox, the option will come, and then you can modify your flows the way I show you. So that's how you can easily configure progress indicator in your screen flow. So I hope this video is helpful. If you like this video, please hit the like icon. Please share this video with your friends and colleagues so that they can start implementing this progress indicator in their flow. And please subscribe to my channel so that anytime I publish a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.